Yeah, I told you niggas. Welcome back. Yeah, nigga. Welcome back. I told you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in. I've just been super busy lately with work, but I've been reading your comments. Honestly, it really touched my heart. I read a lot of your comments, email, DMs, and you guys are begging for more, and I'm here to give you more. In today's introduction, I'll show you what's in my makeup kit. Hey you guys, okay, so I got this bag off of eBay. It's an MP power bag. It comes with 3 layers. The thing I like about this bag with the layers, you have each certain compartment to put certain things, like your applicators, and then you have your brushes, your brush holders, and then the bottom piece you can use it for whatever, but I use it for my foundation. First layer, I have my powder puff bag. I use to either apply powder, blend powder, and also use to place my hands on the face using the powder without using my fingers. And then I have my Q-tips right here, and then I have my disposable wands and lip applicators. And this is my very special favorite bag because you must always have a groomed eyebrows. I have my razors here, nick kit just in case someone get cut or nick. This will instantly stop the bleeding. My alcohol pads, and if you need medical attention, please use Neosporin. And also I have my sharpeners and my duo glue. My brushes are a mixture of crown brushes and Morph brushes. I have a few specialty brushes that I love using, but the basic, just a foundation brush, concealer brush, blending brush for the crease, lid brush, fan brush for when you're doing your highlight, your blush brush, comb, schoolie for your eyebrows or eyelashes, scissor tweezers, and I keep my my lip liner, not lip liner, my eyeliner in here also. So all of my favorite tools I like using are in here, and it also has this compartment right here. This is a spatula, so whatever foundation I need, I'll either scrape it on here or scoop it on here. And my business cards. I forgot to mention my powder brush and angle brush. Also, I'll be doing a video on how to use each and every one of these brushes, and I'll list them in my description box. In the description, I will list all of my powders and foundation that I have in this kit. What works for me may not work for you, so I don't mind sharing. Sharing is caring. This is the heart of my makeup kit. It's just built on foundation and powder. These are my favorite powder. I use MAC Cosmetic skin finishers for my favorite foundation. I normally be using is Black Opal, Cover FX, some NARS Cosmetic, some Makeup Forever, Kat Von D, Too Faced, and some more MAC Cosmetic, and some easy lip colors, quick colors. This is the last part of my kit. This is a backpack I got from Walmart. Very affordable. And what I like to do with it, I attach my brush holder right here. I got it from Makeup Forever. And I got my brush cleanser right here. The liquid that I use to clean my brushes is Cinema Secret. I'll put that in the description. In the front of my bag, I keep my eyelashes and my makeup wipe. Where else I'm going to keep all this stuff? It's a lot of makeup, you know. My favorite wipes to use are by Neutrogena. And for the bigger portion, I have my favorite powders. These are from Benai Cosmetics. My lip gloss, or my lipsticks. With my lipstick, I keep my alcohol pads, so when doing application, I'll wipe the top of the lips off, or the lipsticks off. My lip gloss. And glitters are so messy, so I also keep them in a Ziploc bag. These are my glitters. And my skincare. I got my mattifier. I got my primers. What else in here? My lip balm, my moisturizer, my pore perfection. Also my lip pencil and my eye pencils. And last, oh, and don't forget the concealers. All of my concealers are in here. I carry a variety of MAC Cosmetic, LA Girl Pro, and also Too Faced. And last but not least, for my eyeshadows, ooh, I love this palette, the Jacqueline palette by Morph. You can do a lot with this. I have my Morph, my Juvia's palette, both blushes, my Warrior palette, beautiful for weddings, some more Morph palettes. These are just my favorite palettes that I have in my bag, so I'll list all of this in the description box. These are a must-have for me. That's my opinion. Let me see. And that's it. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is just a quick description of what's in my makeup kit. I'll list every single last product that's in that bag right in the description box. Please like, share, subscribe. Tell me your thoughts and feelings about my video, and stay tuned for the next video I'll be posting. It will be about how to use my makeup brush or my favorite makeup brushes, and also my next video will be about my favorite powders and my favorite foundation. Based on my clientele, with this makeup kit I can do any face ranging from the lightest to the darkest. Never had a problem, never had a complaint, and never, well, I probably did make a mistake or two, but nobody's perfect. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Now that it's all done, now it's time for me to go to work.
Ain't getting paid over here. Thirsty.